When you subscribe to AutoCAD 2019, you now gain access to all the capabilities of the industry-specific toolsets, including mechanical, electrical, MEP, and more. When you subscribe to AutoCAD, including specialized toolsets, you gain access to features and functionality that help you work faster and more efficiently than ever before. Maybe you need a library of standard-based parts and tools for creating modifying mechanical designs. The mechanical toolset allows you to speed product design by automating mechanical engineering tasks, such as generating machine components, dimensioning, and creating bills of materials. Have you ever wanted to create floor plans, sections, elevations, and other drawings for building design? With the architecture toolset, you can speed up drawing, documentation, and building design features. This toolset gives you access to more than 8,000 intelligent architectural objects and styles and features specifically for architects. Maybe you wish to have features tailored to electrical design, enabling you to create, modify, and document electrical control systems. With the electrical toolset, you can boost productivity and quickly design panel layouts, schematic diagrams, and other electrical diagrams using a library of 65,000 intelligent electrical symbols. Map 3D, incorporating GIS and CAD data to support planning, design, and data management, and aggregate it with your AutoCAD design data. Easily manage your GIS data with standard data schema, automated business workflows, and report template. Use specialized MEP engineering features and over 10,000 intelligent mechanical, electrical, and plumbing objects to draft, design, and document building systems. Use Plant 3D toolset to efficiently produce P&IDs and then integrate them into a 3D plant design model using specialized plant design and engineering features. Quickly create schematic diagrams, plant layouts, and other drawings with our 3D plant toolset. Use the 3D plant toolset to efficiently produce P&IDs and then integrate them into a 3D plant design model using specialized plant design and engineering features. Quickly create schematic diagrams, plant layouts, and other drawings. Use raster to vector tools and help you edit, scan drawings, and convert raster images into DWG objects. Quickly edit, clean up, and transform images. Manipulate raster entities, create vector shapes, and more with the raster design toolset.